Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to do an intro because I didn't do one earlier. It is way later on during the day. It's currently like 9:42 p.m. I'm getting ready to to edit the video. Well, anyways, I'll go ahead and use the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette to do a soft pink eye makeup look today, and I do hope you guys enjoy this video. If you are new, hi, my name is Esmeralda, and I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. I did go ahead and start using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in the shade 202 with the Wet n Wild Beauty Sponge. To conceal and highlight my under eyes, I did take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Almond and Cloud. To contour my nose, I'm taking the KKW Beauty Contour Stick in Medium 1. I then blend it out with the Real Techniques buffing brush. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm taking the Maybelline Tattoo Brow in the shade Dark Brown. To clean the bottom of my eyebrows, I'm going to be taking the MAC Studio Fix Concealer with the BH Cosmetics Flat Liner Brush. I then use another buffing brush by Real Techniques to blend out the concealer from under my eyebrows. If you're wondering why I leave the concealer on like that without blending, meanwhile I do my contour and my eyebrows, it's because I wait for the concealer to get a little bit dry so it could give me a fuller coverage and it'll be better, easier to blend. I do alternate between eyes when I'm blending concealer just so I could get an even coverage on both eyes. Set my under eyes, I'm taking the KKW Beauty Baking Powder in the shade 2. Don't bake under the eyes just because the powder is a little bit too dry. To set the rest of my face, I'm taking the Milk Makeup Loose Setting Powder with the e.l.f. face brush. Be going back in with the KKW Beauty powder just to bake in the sides of my nose. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and I'm going to use the shade Georgia as my transition shade. I do like to blend my transition all the way into where the nose and the eye connect. For my crease, I'm going to use the shade Candied Peach with the Morphe M433 brush. I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the transition. I'm going to drag the Candied Peach shade all the way to where the nose and the eye connect. If I do see that the Candied Peach shade is losing its color, I do go in with more just to intensify the color. I do go back in with the Wet n Wild brush with no more product just to blend the transition and the crease color more. For my lid, I'm going to take the shade Just Peachy with my finger, and I'm going to apply that to my lid. Do go back in with the Morphe M433 brush just to blend the lid shade and the crease color so there won't be a harsh line in between. To deepen up the crease a little bit, I'm going to take the shade Summer Yum. I'm going to apply this shade very lightly so it won't look very dark, or will make the eye look dark since this is a soft eye makeup. To set my brows, I'm going to take the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel. For mascara, I'm going to take the Big Shot Mascara by Maybelline. I'm going to curl my lashes first, and I'm going to apply a mascara since I'm not going to do false eyelashes. Since I am sick, I didn't want to be struggling with not being able to put on the eyelashes. My under eye, I did want to do kind of like a halo eye down there, and I did go in the inner corner and outer corner with the Candied Peach shade, and in the inner corner I used the Just Peachy shade, the shimmer shade. To contour my nose and bronze my face, I'm going to take the Hoola bronzer. am gonna apply my bronzer with the NARS Edo brush. Fun fact, this is the first expensive face brush that I ever bought. I do bronze my cheekbones as well as my temples. For highlighter, I'm going to take the Sleek Makeup Solstice highlighting palette, and I'm going to apply that on the bridge of my nose as well as the brow bone. I'm also going to apply the same highlighting shade into my cheekbones with the Real Techniques highlighting face brush. For lips, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Sugar Cookie. This is from their holiday collection. To set my face, I'm taking the Maybelline Matte Setting Spray. This is the final look. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.